Alright guys, I'm building my fort. We're gonna see how long it takes for me to get kicked out of Walmart. Excuse me sir, can you put this on my head? Yeah, just on my head. Thank you.
Know if you guys sell any like wireless ones? Does that even exist?
I don't think I've ever heard. Right there. Looks like one of the small. I can't have you doing that.
Did I get caught?
You gonna leave right now, or we're gonna call it?
Out of here.
Oh, sorry.
You cannot come back in.
Okay, sorry.
Right now, before I call the police on you.
Okay. I need to take this off. I thought this was a good hiding spot.
God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
Alright, sorry. Damn, that was quick.